All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are trading on Taco Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. And we're in the low volume holiday week, the lowest volume week of the year. Typically, all traders are from major institutions, and most traders take their vacation. So the volume tight, range is tight. So we only did 4 trades today, $1,600 profit, and we're trading 2 contracts here. So our first trade on NQ here after 10, and we caught a couple trades up and down and pretty tight action, and we get 355 profit, and we take it as we're halfway to our goal. And with the light volume, we're going to take the profit. And we give the market a break, let it, show its hand. And the trend was down, and we started about here again a little bit later, and we hit our profit goal in 2 trades on 2 contracts, an up move and then a flush. First profit target hit on the flush, and then the runner does the rest, and we get 620 profit for a great trade. And as I always say, let the bot do the work for you. And then our next trade here is in gold. Let's take a look at that one. And here on gold, we're trading 2 contracts, 640 gold, like our NQ goal. And been watching it the past couple days, the last week, and so we started it here in the afternoon, right around 12:30 or so after lunch, and we caught a couple waves up and waves down, and we get 423 profit. So gold is, it moves kind of slow, and then when it gets in a trend, sometimes the trends can last long, like it did here. When it hit our profit target, had a pullback, and then took off to new highs, which I was surprised. And then we just waited for the reversal here, and we got a little bit of additional profit, and 423 will work for me. And then we got one more trade in the NQ. And this trade here happened in the afternoon session after 1, and then we called it a day, hit the gym. So we had just missed this downtrend here, and then it had a reversal to the upside and a reversal to the downside. I was hoping it would flush a lot more, but we're only trading 1 contract here because I didn't want to risk any profits on light volume, going into the afternoon session. Typically nobody's trading, but Trump says something, the market can take off. So that's our trades for the day. 4 trades, $1,600 profit. Another profitable day. And we didn't do any ES trades today because the ES is just it's just not moving, and a lot of head fakes. And so the lowest volume week of the year in July, you don't want to be trading at ES. You don't want to be starting your trading career during this week either. So if you just bought a bunch of evaluation counts, trade in sim for another week or so, because the market will be choppy unless Trump says something, because there's no volume. And we're trading 1 and 2 contracts instead of 3. We lowered our profit goals. It's all something you have to do as a disciplined trader, and know what the market is doing. A market goes through cycles. A lot of people don't know that. They just turn on their charts and stare at them and look for magic to happen, and they don't have a clue of how the market operates. There are times when you don't trade, like typically the week after 4th of July, the week before, low volume days, most traders go on vacation and they don't trade. You need a break. And just like during Christmas and New Year's, same thing. So that's my trading tips for the day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and all our social media sites. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe.